In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com. If you're brand new to Monday.com, this quick walkthrough will take you from a blank browser to your account's homepage so you can start organizing work in one place with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Monday.com. This helps you quickly find the official site without memorizing the exact URL. On the results page, look for the official Monday.com listing. It should clearly display the Monday.com domain and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid lookalike links or sponsored results that don't point to the official domain. Click the official Monday.com result to open the homepage. Once you're there, find the Get Started button, typically at the top right of the page. Clicking this begins the sign-up process, and in most cases, you can start for free, which is helpful if you're just exploring or evaluating the platform for your team. On the sign-up screen, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is a fast, secure way to create your account using your existing Google login, and it reduces the number of passwords you need to remember. If prompted, choose the Google account you want associated with your workspace. Use the account you plan to work from day to day so your notifications and access line up with your workflow. If you prefer not to use Google, you can type in your email instead. Enter an email you can access right away, ideally your work email, since it makes inviting teammates and organizing permissions easier later. You may be asked to confirm your email, so keep your inbox handy and follow any on-screen prompts. After entering your email or selecting your Google account, click Continue. You might see a few brief questions about your role or what you plan to manage. These help tailor your initial experience. Simply choose the options that best fit your needs and proceed. When setup is complete, you'll land on your Monday.com home. This is your command center. From here, you'll see recent items, suggested next steps, and quick access to boards and workspaces. The left sidebar helps you navigate between areas, while the top search and quick add options make it easy to find or create what you need. Take a moment to look around, note where home is in the navigation, and confirm you're signed into the correct account. That's it. You've successfully reached your Monday.com home. In upcoming sessions, you can explore boards, templates, and automations, but for now, you're set up and ready to go.